Hello children, good morning. So straighten your chairs, join your hands and let's start the prayer. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Parmanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsachanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Good morning children, welcome to your English grammar class. Today's date is 23rd 23 to 2021 23rd February 2021 and day is Tuesday. Tuesday. So we are dealing with chapter 11 from English grammar. The name of the chapter is has and have. So complete the paragraph using has or have. Please open page number 64. You have a paragraph, children. You have a paragraph. Okay. In what you have to do is, the name of the paragraph is Meet My Family. Okay, this is a paragraph. Okay, small story is there. Only one paragraph, a story is there. Okay, meet my family. Okay, this is about family. My name is Rohan. Okay, I am 6 years old. Okay, see here, here in this paragraph, there is a boy whose name is Rohan, and he is introducing his family. Okay, let's read the paragraph and fill up the given blanks with has and have. Always remember, we use has for the things which are one in number. We use have for the things which are more than one in number. Okay, more than one in number. And we also use have for I and also you. I and even you. We use have for even I and you. So let's start. My name is Rohan. My name is Rohan. I am 6 years old. I live in New Delhi. My parents are doctors. They. T-H-E-Y, they. After they, you have a dash. They dash a clinic. They dash a clinic. What do you think? They. It means many. They, for many, we need to use have. They have a clinic. They have a clinic. I dash a little sister. I dash a little sister. You always should use have along with I. So I have a little sister. Then she is 1 year old. She dash curly hair. She dash curly hair. She is only one child, right? Only one girl. So he has only one sister. So she has. When we talk about just one person, we need to write has. She has curly hair. I dash a pet dog. I dash a pet dog. So I have a pet dog. I have a pet dog and its name is Ploo. Okay, I have a pet dog, Ploo. P-L-O-O is Ploo. Name of the dog, Ploo. It dash a soft brown coat. It dash a soft brown coat. Okay, it dash a soft brown coat. It we are speaking about just one animal, one dog here. So it has a soft brown coat. I play with Ploo. I play with Ploo. I go to Inspire school. Acha, he studies in a school and his school name is Inspire. I go to Inspire school. My school dash a nice library. My school dash a nice library library. My school, only one school. So has, when we talk about one person, one place, one animal and one thing, we always write has. So my school has a nice library. Then it dash a swimming pool too. It dash a swimming pool too. It dash a swimming, swimming, pool, TOO, two. It dash a swimming pool too. It is again one. We are just speaking about school, about one school. So has. It has a swimming pool too. Then I dash many friends. I dash many friends friends. What will come here? Have. I have many friends. We need to use have along with I and along with you also. Then I have many friends. We dash a neat and clean classroom. We dash a neat and clean classroom. We dash a neat and clean classroom. We. So many. It means I am also there with the group. Okay. We, many. Always use have with many. We have a neat and clean classroom. We dash many good and caring teachers at school. Again, we dash many good and caring teachers at school. Again, we are talking about we. So it means many. So we have many good and caring teachers at school. We dash a lot of fun in school. We dash a lot of fun in school. We dash a lot of fun in school. We have a lot of fun in school. So this is all about this little one. Okay, all about this little one, Rohan. Okay. Meet my family. Paragraph reading. Fill in the blanks with has or have. Always remember you need to use has when you talk about one person, one animal, one place and one thing. Always we need to use have when we talk about more than one person, one place, one animal and one thing, and also need to use have along with I and you. I and you. Then meet my family. They have a clinic. I have a little sister. She has curly hair. I have a pet dog, Blue. It has a soft brown coat. My school has a nice library. It has a swimming pool too. I have many friends. We have a neat and clean classroom. We have many good and caring teachers at school. We have a lot of fun in school. I did not write the whole paragraph because I cannot fit the entire paragraph in this board. I have to erase and again I have to write it. That is why I didn't write the entire paragraph, children. Let's do the next exercise. Exercise C. Okay. And this is the last exercise in this chapter. Look at this exercise, children. On page number 64, you have this exercise. Look at this exercise. Put a tick for the correct sentences. Put a tick for the correct sentences and cross for the incorrect ones. Incorrect. What is mean of incorrect? It means wrong sentences. Write the incorrect ones correctly. Okay. So first is put a tick for the correct sentences. It means here some sentences are given. In these sentences, some are correct sentences. It means sentence has no mistake at all. So for this sentence, whichever sentence is right, you need to put a tick mark. Okay. And see the next. Cross the incorrect ones. Okay. It means here there are some sentences in which few mistakes are there. Mistakes are there in the sentence. So for such sentences, we need to put a cross mark. Okay. Then write the incorrect ones correctly. After putting a cross mark, we need to write the incorrect sentence in a correct manner. Okay. So read the sentence. First one. The boy has a black shoe. Always remember has and have. Okay. We use has when we speak about anything which is just one in number, and here we use have for the person, place, animal, thing which are more than one in number, more than one, and we also use have for I and you. Okay, for I and you. Let me write I and you. Okay. The boy has a black shoe. The boy, here we are speaking about one boy. So here what is given? Has is given. So when we speak about one boy, we need to use has only, right? So the boy has a black shoe. Is there any mistake in this sentence? No, there is no mistake. So put a tick mark. Second one. The boy has a football. Look here. Pay attention to the words that are given before this word has, okay, or have. So see, the boy has. Here has is there. So we need to pay attention to the noun given before has. The boys. What is given here? Boys is given. When we are speaking about many boys, should we use has here? No. We should use have. So mistake is, where is the mistake? Mistake is here. So what you should do? This is wrong. Okay. And write there have. Okay. Answer is have. H-A-V-E. Have. In your textbook, a place is provided. Right? A line is given. So write there. Under each sentence, you have a line. So write on that line. Third one. Mother have a beautiful sari. Mother have a beautiful sari. Okay. So our attention should be on has and have always. Have. Okay. Look here. What is given before have? Mother. It means we are speaking about mother. Mother, only one. When we speak about only one, then why should we write have here? We shouldn't write have. When we speak about one person, we should write has. So mother has a beautiful sari. So this is also wrong sentence. Answer is has. Okay. Have is wrong. Has is correct. Mother has a beautiful sari. Fourth one. I has a comic book. I has a comic book. Has is given here. And I. So we always should use have along with I. I have is the right usage. Here I has is there. It means this is wrong. Answer is have. I have a comic book. Fifth one. You have a lovely garden. So pay attention to have. Okay. You have a lovely garden. Now what's there here? You is there. Okay. So we always need to use have along with you. So you have is the right usage. Here also you have is there. You have a lovely garden. So it is right. There is no mistake in this sentence. Put a tick mark. Sixth one. We has a pet cat. We has a pet cat. Pay attention to has and the word given before has. Okay, here we are speaking about we. It means many, a group in which I am also there. We, many. So when we speak about many, more than one, we always need to use have. But here we has is given, so this is wrong. We have. We have a pet cat. We have a pet cat. You please write these answers below the sentence. Don't write elsewhere. I don't have place. That is why I'm writing like this. Seventh one. Anu and Winnie have a doll. Anu and Winnie have a doll. Where is have? Have is here. So what's given before have? Anu and Winnie. It means here we are talking about two persons. It means more than one. When we talk about more than one, we should always use have. So Anu and Winnie have a doll. This is absolutely right. There is no mistake in this sentence. Then three more are there. 8, 9, 10. 3 more are there, children. Look at this, children. 8th sentence. My sister and I has bought apples from the market. My sister and I has bought apples. We purchased apples from the market. Okay. So has. What is given before has? My sister. Sister and I. Sister and I. Okay. It means sister is also there and I am also there. It means we both. Two are there. More than one. So is this right? When more than one is there, should we use has? No. What should we use? Have. So write this. Have. This is wrong sentence. Okay. Write have. My sister and I have bought apples from the market. 9th one. Aditya has good handwriting. Aditya has good handwriting. Has. What is given before has? Aditya. Aditya is name of a boy. Only one boy. So with one person, it is absolutely fine to use has. So Aditya has good handwriting. Is a right sentence. There is no mistake in this. Put a tick mark. Last sentence. Siddharth and Neil has a little sister. Siddharth and Neil has a little sister. Has. What's given before has? Siddharth and Neil. Okay, Siddharth and Neil. It means we are talking about two boys here. Siddharth and Neil are two boys. When we are talking about more than two, is that okay if has is given here? No, it is not at all okay. Has is wrong. What should you write? Have. Siddharth and Neil have a little sister. So this is wrong sentence. Instead of has, have should come here. Siddharth and Neil have a little sister. Finish, children. So with this we have completed this exercise. We have completed the entire chapter and we even completed the final examination syllabus also. Today you have the test of chapter 6 Arun and Tara, right? I'm sending the PDF along with the video. Okay, solve it as soon as possible and send me the answer sheet, children. Okay, bye bye, children. That's all. Tata. Bye. Please finish this exercise. It is given on page number 64 and 65. Please finish this exercise in your notebook. Bye.